Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm just gobsmacked. This has all been sent to me by somebody that watches me on YouTube. There's loads. Absolutely loads. Oh, wonderful. I definitely needed more. That tape's brilliant. Oh, I can't believe how much stuff. Oh, stickers. Oh, this is awesome. Paintbrushes. Oh, wow. Always useful. Oh, giant cable ties. Can't go wrong. I have to be very careful with this one. I can't get over what's in this box. It's like Christmas. Oh my goodness. Very useful. Wow. Oh. Yeah. I can use all this. I just can't go over how much stuff is in here. This is incredible. Oh, chain! Oh, I've been looking for some of that. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, wow. I just can't go over all this. Oh my goodness. Just can't believe the stuff that's coming out of this box. Jacket. Oh. Oh, that's beautiful. That's really special. Thank you. Ooh, trousers. Yeah. Oh, oh, amazing. Lots and lots of pouches. This is Ratbox Heaven. Bit of rubber, very useful. Oh, Jules, this is just incredible. Matte black paint. Oh, amazing. Cheers! There we go, folks. You can see everything properly now. So a massive thank you to Julie and Peach. You've sent loads and it's also useful. It's the biggest and best wrap box ever. Thank you. You know, folks, I don't have a lot, so it's your support that keeps me going. I like to think that my channel is helping you somehow. Every person that's donated in some way makes a difference, and especially my patrons. It's your faithful support that's driving my channel, and it means the world to me. Thanks, folks. I don't think that was meant to be in the box. Just fantastic. It's awesome. Thanks.